Dear viewers, this is a video on how to remove 986 Porshce Boxster headlamp. You open the trunk and you'll find there are liners on the inside. Take this clip out. Take this cover out. You get a 5mm socket, which attached, I'm using a screwdriver form. You fold this liner down, there is a rubber plug. It's very simple. You turn it, you hear it click, and turn all the way. And now it should just slide out, and this little piece comes off, so you can put your hand underneath. So if it is stuck, you can, there you go, and it pulls right out. And to reinstall, you just got to make sure this track, because this track will guide the light and back into the mounting socket. There's also a track, not a track, but there's also a locator on this side, but this side has track. Which you want to note is one of these. And one of this on the other side. So 1, 2. When you want to put it back in, this guy lines to here. Then you put this driver back, turn it the opposite way to put it in, pull it in until it locks. So that lock, open, lock, okay, release. That's it. You can also take this little piece now, pop it back in there, and that's how you remove the headlight from a Porshce Boxster. Very simple, very easy.